welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Kajiga, and today we are trying to find out what Colourpop has in store for us. So they released a new Nightmare Before Christmas theme. So I got the full collection here, and we're gonna open it up and see what we have. Try some stuff on, like just play with it a little bit. And then I'll eventually come back with a whole video on like a face, a look, something like that. But I was super excited. It just literally got delivered to me. So let's open it up. In the background, you're gonna hear The Simpsons because obviously I can't do anything without the TV. So let's get started. I didn't even try to open this. So I probably needed scissors or something. Oops. Alright. There you go. That's what it looks like. Now let's see what we have. A little note. It says, thanks for being a cutie pie. So thank you guys for that. That's so cute. Just a little slip that says what we have, I'm showing. I was super hoping that this was going to be in there because it's pictured. But I was like, what is that? So let's find out what it is. I'm super excited. Oh my god. They're freaking ornaments. Look at that. That's so cute. That one's adorable. Oh, I guess we have two of these. I don't know, like what it's inside. They're not really different. Okay, so they are cream lipsticks. So these are lipsticks, but they're also ornaments, which is cute. Gems. Now, if you've seen my TikTok, you've seen that I am like obsessed with the gems right now. And what's this? Oh, this is glitter. Glitter. The writing is so small, and I don't have my glasses on, so I obviously can't see. These are one of the little eyeliners. Just from, I can just tell. It's about in there. And there's two of those. Then we have this. So this is a palette. And it's a pressed powder palette. It also smells really good. Just the box in general. I don't know why. It does. Alright. So that was all that's in the box. So this collection costs $118, I believe. I'm interested to see what that looks like. Hopefully it's actually green. Oh no, it's pink. It's pink. Look at that, though. That looks so cool. Ooh. And then let's see what's under the purple cap. I don't know, it's kind of like a purple, brown, gold kind of. I don't know, that's a weird, unique color. And then there's like a pink cap. And that one's like a deep purple black. So that's pretty cool. I do want to do a look for like the Yum Yum Bedlam by Insane Clown Posse because it's a woman clown this time for the cover art. So I'm super excited. I want to do that look, and I think those will help me to achieve it, especially that pink. All right, so this is the eyeliner. float. That is wait. I'm gonna try this. Ooh. Super pigmented, so that's dope. That's gonna help create some of those big lines that I like. Some of those like big eye looks. So that's that. And then this is the other one. So pink on the outside. The end of the one was orange on the outside, but white on the inside. So let's see. I can open this. I feel that. And then this is just normal black, which is good because I was actually running low and I needed another one. Oh, that looks really good. Super pigmented. I love brand new eyeliners. All right, we're gonna look at the pressed powder now. So, it has all the names on the back. And then that's what the front looks like. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Yeah. Like this one, that one, that's gonna really be, that's kind of cool up here. This one, like, I still don't get like the opposites, but don't mind that. That one's kind of a good color. That's a deep orange. You could do something for Thanksgiving with that color. So yeah, cute. And some of them have little like faces. One has a snowman, one has a face. So yeah, that's cute. So that's exciting. So we have some glitter shadow and some pressed powder shadows to give us some depth and some difference. And I'm not gonna open these. I'm just gonna give you a closer look. But yeah, I definitely will be using these in my Yum Yum Bedlam look. So it's gonna be really cute. All right, let's open these. And because I can't see. Oh, that's pretty. It's a pretty casing. Ooh, look at that. That's adorable. Ooh. Wow. It's really pigmented. That's crazy. I love this case though. It's cute. Okay, so that's one. I'm putting them back because I just want to make sure that I know where everything is. And then the Jack one. That is so pretty. I feel like even after they're empty, I'm still gonna keep them. Just because they're so cute. Ooh, that's a deep red. That's good for this time of year. I was just saying that to one of my clients. Look at that. It's very pretty. And everything feels super smooth too, guys. Like the eyeliners, I love new eyeliner, but this lipstick was like creamy. So it's a creamy lip. I guess it dries matte. We'll see how it dries. That one was the Jack. So cute. The hand is actually pink too. I got a matching pink hat. And this is the other lipstick. Same casing. I wish they would have did like Oogie Boogie. I know he's like a Halloween, but still. It's kind of a Christmas / Halloween vibe. Same case. Playing like Minnesota on this one. Because they kind of look the exact same. Okay, so this one is named. Oh, yeah, they are the same. Double chapter. That's like what it's supposed to do. Back. All right, so finally we have the glitter. Let's see what the box looks like. All of the tops had like sun design. This one I think is the most like intricate looking. Alright, and so that's what it looks like with his face. And it's called Master of Fright. Ooh. Okay, there's some on the top here, so I'm just gonna take that off. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Ooh. It feels almost like sugar. Like, but it's definitely, that's definitely a lot of coverage for that little bit that I scraped off the top. So a little goes a long way with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm excited to use it and think of some ideas. So let me know what you guys want to see. But I will be posting something once I have a little bit of time. I am going on vacation next week, which is really not a vacation. It's family stuff, but so we're gonna go do that. But yeah, I will be doing a video that has more of these encompassed into it. I want to try to do something definitely for the new ICP album because I really love the artwork on that. So I want to do something inspired by that look as well. So I will let you guys know what's coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.